Knitting machines that produce socks and hosiery are specialized circular weft knitting machines. The diameter and number of needles used in these machines, combined with yarn size and patterning systems, allow for a wide range of sizes and performances. Sock manufacturing makes use of three types of machines. These include the single-cylinder machine, the double-cylinder machine, and the cylinder and dial machine. An older cylinder and dial machine is shown here so that both sets of needles can clearly be seen. The single-cylinder machine is the workhorse of the sock industry. A very wide range of socks can be made on this machine. The addition of another cylinder superimposed above this cylinder is called a Lynx machine or double-cylinder machine. Whether the Lynx machine or a cylinder and dial machine with needles in the dial are used, special effects and performance are possible in sock manufacturing. These include a full range of true rib constructions, purl stitches, and textural design. All aspects of sock knitting elements will be discussed in this segment. The different types of stitches will be covered in the segment on stitch formation.